Welcome to our journey through the world of carbon footprints and sustainability. Let's start with the basics. What is a carbon footprint? Simply put, it's the total amount of greenhouse gases, expressed in carbon dioxide equivalent, caused directly or indirectly by our actions. But what are these greenhouse gases we're talking about? These are gases that trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to the greenhouse effect and climate change. Now, let's delve into Scope 1 emissions. These are direct emissions from sources that we own or control. Think of the emissions from your car, or the energy used to heat your home. These are all Scope 1 emissions. Next, we have Scope 2 emissions. These are indirect emissions resulting from the electricity, heat, or steam we consume. For instance, the electricity used to power your home or office, even if it's generated off-site, contributes to Scope 2 emissions. Moving on to Scope 3 emissions. These are indirect emissions that occur in the value chain of an entity, including both upstream and downstream activities. This could include emissions from the production of goods we buy, waste generated from our activities, or even our daily commute. So, how can we reduce our carbon footprint? One way is through carbon offsetting. This involves investing in projects that reduce or remove greenhouse gas emissions elsewhere, like tree planting or renewable energy projects. Another important concept is carbon neutrality. This is achieved when the amount of emissions produced is balanced by the amount removed from the atmosphere. In other words, we aim to reduce our emissions as much as possible, and offset the remaining emissions to achieve a net zero carbon footprint. Lastly, let's talk about carbon sequestration. This is the process of capturing and storing carbon dioxide to prevent it from contributing to climate change. This can occur naturally through forests and oceans, or through technological methods like carbon capture and storage technologies. We will discuss in detail about each of these in next video. Thanks for watching.